Hello everybody, today I'm making this video to show you guys an experiment that I'll be doing. Hopefully it lasts a week, but if not, I'm really hoping a couple days. And what I decided to do is make a small scale mock-up of some solar panels here that I would be making and trying to make them waterproof or extremely water resistant. And the reason why I decided to do this is because I am still working on my underground solar stand, and when I do complete that, if we do get a hurricane or bad storm or whatever, they will have to be put down on the ground, which they'll be basically in a giant tub, so that would be very prone to be filled up with water. So if these are under there, I need something that can be water resistant or waterproof for at least a couple days so they're not all destroyed until I can bring it back up, drain it out, and do that. What I did, I took I cut these out, some 5x5 glass panes or panels there from some scrap glass that I had laying around, and I did 3 of those. And this is the frame, the metal aluminum, I think it's aluminum, that comes with the windows anyway. As you take the glass apart from the windows, this is the stuff in the middle, and this is what I've used in my other things, and it works really well. So I used some of that, and I'm going to use 3 materials. Here you can see 2. The first one I'm going to use, or did use, is the Silicone 2 by GE, and this says it's waterproof, which is a good thing. So I'm looking forward to seeing how well it works and how waterproof it is. And the second thing I used is Great Stuff. That's the window foam, basically. Well, they make 2 different kinds, one for windows and doors and one just for cracks, I guess. This one is for windows and doors. It was a little more expensive, but it does say it's water resistant, so we'll see on that one as well. And the third thing I will be using is my roll of window seal here. I've used this before. It does make a pretty good seal, but I'm not sure how water resistant it is or waterproof. But that's something we'll be finding out here in the experiment. So on the first one here, which I just label as B, I was going to do 4, but I just decided to work on 3. I have the Silicone 2 on the inside, and I have the metal frame in there, and then I have the spray foam on that one. And this, as in all of them, will be wrapped with the window seal. So that one is B. This one I guess we'll just call C, because I didn't even put a thing in there. This is the silicone, the aluminum, and silicone. And this one I have the highest hopes for. It does say it's waterproof. It's fairly heavy. I think this stuff is my best shot. And D, which I have not trimmed yet, but I just want to show you what it looks like. That one I trimmed, that one I did not, but I will here in a minute. So this one's D. There's foam on the inside, foam on the outside. This one's kind of a mess. I'm not sure. This will probably be the first one that falls apart. And then I'm going to wrap them all up with the window seal. So, to find out how well they work, I'm basically going to take this small bucket here, fill it up with water, and just sit them in there. And once a day check them and see if there's any water inside the chamber there. And hopefully I do have a clear winter. That'd be great if they all work though, but I'm not sure if that's going to happen. Okay, so went ahead and sealed up my 3 mock solar panels here. First one. Second one floats. Okay, that's good to know. And the third one does not float so much. So this one I'll have to put a weight on it to keep it down. Okay, well it's been almost 24 hours, and let's see. I put this in there to hold them down. And the first one I'm going to grab out is B. B is completely dry, and this one had the foam on the outside and the sealant on the inside. Yeah, there's no water in there at all, and the paper's completely dry. Okay, so that one worked out really well. Oh, okay. Well, this one's completely full of water, which is D. This was the foam, then foam. Yeah, there's a little air bubble in there, but definitely didn't work at all. So, epic failure on that one. Alright, and the third one. Completely dry on the inside. Okay, day 2. They've been submerged for roughly about 48 hours. Let's see. This one, which is B, completely. Let me see. Nope, that one's got water inside. Can see it now. So this one was the foam and the silicone too. Darn it, I was kind of hoping that one would work, but there's not a lot, but any bit was a failure, so that one didn't work out. Darn it. And this one, no, this one is still completely airtight on the inside, watertight. Okay, so. Day number 3, and let's see if this is still good. And it absolutely is still sealed, so that's awesome. That's way better than I expected for 3 days being completely submerged underwater. Okay, day number 4, and you got 1 day left of the experiment, and still completely dry on the inside. Cool. Alright, one more day. Okay, day number 5, last day of the experiment here. And definitely dry on the inside, not even a drop. So what did I learn from this experiment? This window seal here does not work at all. The foam did not work at all. And 2 layers definitely worked out great. So what I'll be doing next in my next experiment of this, I'll be drilling a hole through here and then running my wire through, sealing it up on the inside and the outside, and then doing the same test and seeing how that works. And hopefully that'll be all I need to have a completely watertight solar panel homemade. So, okay, thank you for watching as always. Take care, and God bless.